Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up an economy with the science shop installed. So basically, people can buy stuff from your shop, and yeah, they can buy items, and it's really cool, and it's like a great thing for your Minecraft server if you have like a community server. So, the few things you'll need is of course, science shop. You'll need vault, that like is like the main core for like money and stuff. You just need that, and some sort of economy plugin. I like iConomy. It's really nice. It's a really great plugin. So let's open up your server and go to plugins, not permissions. Sorry about that. Plugins, the plugins folder, and you're gonna drag these and drag them in there, and you're gonna start up your server. So this might take a while because you're starting up a bunch of new stuff. So we have to wait for this to load. And right now I'm hosting it on localhost. So basically, if you're hosting this from yourself, you just do localhost and you can join. If you're port forwarding, then you type in one of your server addresses, or using an online host. So it's started up, and Vault should, if there's no new versions available, that's great. If there is, update. So let's refresh and get into it. So I'm going to show you how to, let's go over here, how to set up a science shop. So let's check here if we have all the correct plugins. So we have science shop, vault, and economy. So those, if they're red, they will not work. So you need them in orange color. So let's just start up by creating a nice little area for our people. So right now I'm just going to be selling a diamond sword, so it doesn't need to be that big. And yeah, so it'll look like this. It's a nice area for our community to come to. So let's get a diamond sword out. Of course, you'll need that if what you're gonna sell. You're going to need a redstone, and you will need a chest, and of course you'll need a sign. So basically, what we have to do is we have to link up our sign with a chest using redstone. And it's not like this redstone where you place it on the ground. No, it's not that. It's the redstone is used, like you see there. And we're also going to need a gold axe if we're going to break anything, because it requires you to use a gold axe. So basically, you can store this anywhere. I prefer, like, say you have a faction server, you just like under spawn or something in like a bedrock vault, so no one can get into it. Because if they get into it, they can mess up your shop really bad, and yeah, things will just not be working out well. So I'm just gonna be storing it over here. You can store it really anywhere. I'll store it outside this, and you just basically open it and place it in the first slot. Then what you want to do is you want to try breaking the chest with the redstone in your hand. If it's not installed correctly, it will not say that in the chat down here. It'll break it. And let's change the difficulty to 0. Peaceful. And so now we're going to set up our shop. So what you have to do is you have to put, so say you want just like how many items you put in there to be sold. That's like a limited time thing if you want that. But if you want it to last forever, you just do in these little bracket things, I buy, and below that, these next two lines don't matter, whatever you put. But I prefer to put how many you're selling, which is 1. And then the name, which is a diamond sword. And again, it doesn't matter what it's called. And then the last line matters. You put $, and how much you're selling it for. I'm just gonna sell it for 500. So now that's all linked up. We hold, you hold the redstone in your hand, and you break it. So now it comes up blue with the I buy, and so now you can buy it. So if you try buying it, you don't have $500 to pay. But since I'm the owner, I can do /money space give. I believe my name, yeah, King Clem _ the amount, and I'm just gonna do that much. Since you're the owner, you can do as much as you want. All ops can do that. So now every time I buy a diamond sword, it'll take $500 away from my account. And this is basically how you set up like a faction server shop. Another thing you can do is you can sell it. So what I like to do in like faction servers, you can sell it, and I do it for half price. So again, you're selling one diamond sword, and it's for $250 you'll get back. And instead of I buy, I messed up there. It's I sell. And then you click done. And then you I believe you break it. No, you need to link up a chest. So let's go link up the chest first. I didn't know that you had to do that. So we're going to break the chest again. And then we're going to place a sign. And do I sell. It can be anything. It can be like capital I too. I just prefer lowercase I, capital S, and like that. It just looks a lot cleaner. And then we're going to do one diamond sword. And then we're going to do for $250 you'll get back. And then it's linked up. And so now we can sell our diamond swords. So see, they're all going away, and I have no more diamond swords left to sell. So that's basically how you create a sign shop. All you have to do is put it in the chest. You don't really need to know the name or any ID. It's really simple, and all your players can come to a shop instead of like using a GUI. I really like this plugin, and I hope you guys do too. If you did like this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I will respond to you as quickly as possible. And yeah, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all guys in the next video. Peace out.